Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to how to customize your avatar using special props. As you can see down here, I've already got this little kitten applied. So let's make a start and go through the whole thing with you. So first of all, what you want to do is this little red box down here. You want to uncheck that, which will then make your avatar a legacy model, which is what you must always apply whenever you want to use these props. You can then change your avatar to the new style with your skin and hair, but I'll show you all that. So once you uncheck that little box down there, click Save Changes. You will notice throughout this whole video that Save Changes is so important for applying anything like this. And once you've saved your changes and come out, you go back in and then you hide that for a minute. We then go into our My Outfits, or wherever you have your prop. And sorry, I'm in the wrong. No, I'm not. Okay, guys. Right, so down here you can see I've got a whole bunch of different folders, but the one I'm looking for is props. I don't know where you would have yours, but mine are in here. So once that opens, I then go and find a prop that I would like to apply. So let's say we were doing this Cute Pets Yorkie 4. Now these instructions apply to all your most props that are done on the door.gml, but we're going to that. So first of all, I want to apply it, and then you hit apply. You then go back in and you save again. Now as you can see, there's nothing there at the moment. We then go back in, we go back to where our prop was, and what you must do is where it says profile, right click on that. Keep this window open for now, so right click on that, open a link in new tab, and then over here you will see account info, personality, basic info, etc. Go along to where it says avatar, click on that, and if you've read my blog you will see the instructions down here, but it's probably easier just to explain it all. And you can see here I have door.gml. Now if you can't find my blog or whatever, you can just type that in easy enough. So then once we're back in the avatar section of your profile, you scroll right down here and you will see where it says lip mesh. Now if you go back here to where your prop is, you will see it says piercing lip 1 left skin parentheses skin. Okay, so you can see that was going to be on the lip mesh. So you go back here and where it says lip mesh, not the lip skin but the lip mesh, you highlight that and just delete it, and then either type in or copy and paste door.gml. Once you've done that, you save changes, and then when you go in here you can see I've got my cute little Yorkie pups there, but I'm still in the legacy avatar, so we want to change that. But first we must click Save Changes. You go back in and now you highlight what down here where it says New Style Avatar. You highlight that and that changes your avatar to the new style. Save change. Go back into your RLC closet, and this is where a lot of people tend to mess this up. Now we can close all this down now, because what we want is our new style skin, hair, and a new style outfit. So as you can see over here, I've got a bunch saved here in my folder, my skin and hair. So I'm just going to randomly pick one. So I'll scroll down and I'll just apply this one for now. Go back and apply the skin. Go back into your closet. Now you can see why I said to save changes all the time. Saves you so much grief and hassle. Now that's my skin applied, which is fine. Now I want to go back in here, go back into my outputs, and again I just want to find a hairstyle. So I shall go with this one, I think. So we'll apply that, apply the output, go back in here, save changes, and you can see she's got her skin in her hair. So we'll click save changes, go back in again, and then we choose an output. Do not use any of your saved outputs in your RLC closet, because if you do that, all that will happen is you will apply that output and it will remove your prop because you've saved it just as an output. Once your prop is on, excuse me, once your prop is on and you've got it on an output you like, you can then save it in your RLC closet and pop it on whenever you want. But do not try to apply your output from an output from your RLC closet. So let's apply this one. And there you can see that's me in my new style avatar with my hair and my little Yorkies down there. So again we click save changes, which will save it there. And as I said, you can just name the outfits. I'm just going to call it Yorkies for now. And that will save that and the prop. And you can do this as many times as you want with as many different outfits. So save changes. And that is how you apply your props, folks. I hope this helped you. And then if you just want to get rid of those, just go in and choose an outfit you already have. Apply. But you will see what I mean, choosing an outfit. It will remove that prop completely, and that's it done. You can see. You see? So it's very important that when you want to apply a prop and all through that you do not use one of your saved ones. But now that I've saved Yorkies, I can just apply it. And there you go. Okay, folks, I hope that's helped you.